So when I started out in my career 20-something years ago, you went to the newspaper on a Sunday to find out if there was a job. And you wouldn't know if 500 people or 5 people had applied for that job, or to be honest, how many jobs were out there. There was no transparency. However, due to the growth of the internet, there are now 4 billion people online and tons of technology out there that allows your company to be found and to people to see what they're saying about your company and also how many jobs there are. So of course, you will hear a lot of AI providers and blockchain providers and all these kind of emerging technologies tell you that as a recruiter and sourcer, your job can be replaced. I personally disagree, but there is hyper-growth in that sector. So what you need to do is work with those providers to help them create technology that will aid your job, not replace your job. That's the future for recruiters and sourcers.